When you think about Washington College, think beyond your expectations.
Beyond courses and clubs, residence halls, and academic quads.
At Washington, Maryland's premier small college, you'll work closely with remarkable professors who are experts in their fields and who love to teach. You'll be challenged by rigorous academic programs that give you the career skills you're looking for. And you'll find exciting opportunities that take your classroom experience into the real world. From research, fieldwork, and study abroad to internships and civic engagement, these unique opportunities combine with your classroom experience to prepare you for success. On average, 92% of Washington College graduates are employed or pursuing an advanced degree within 9 months of graduation. Washington College empowers you to create the future you want. Think beyond. Think Washington College.